All right, how's it going, guys? I just wanted to show you guys our other project here. This is our 2003 Suburban that we have, also known as the 03. We call it the 03 because we have another Suburban right over there. So that's the 96, this is the 03. This is kind of the performance truck that we have. It is a lowered 4.5 drop. It has the 5.3 in it. It's been freshened up. It's got flat top pistons, it's got rods and all that stuff, and it has the TSP. I believe it's 218 220 cam. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys what it was all about, because we're about to go put this thing under the knife here in about in a week or two, because the 4L60 keeps taking a crap on us like usually. I know, crappy 4L60. So we got the 4L80 all ready to go. Got to go pick it up by the end of the week, and should be going in hopefully sometime next week. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys what it sounds like. This is I believe 218 220 cam. If it's not, check the description, it'll have it in there, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Oh, also it has long tube headers, JBA long tube headers, full custom stainless exhaust all the way to the back. It does have a Black Widow Venom 300. So yeah, check it out. This is cold start. It hasn't been starting in a while because the transmission's blown on it, obviously. So did the rear end in it. It is a true track diff now, also with 411 gears. I think it's 411 or 410, one of them. Before it had the open diff and it was just, you know, crap. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. Stay tuned. I will be making a video of the whole 4L80 install. It is also getting a billet Circle D torque converter. Also, we have all the parts for it ready. We just need to save up more money to get it in. But we do have a 7675 precision turbo that's going to be going into it. So yeah, stay tuned.